Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I will show you how to transfer photos from Android to PC. First of all, you will need to connect your Android device to your laptop using a USB cable. After connecting, you will need to unlock your phone and select file transfer mode instead of charging only. Now in your laptop, you will need to open your file explorer and go to this PC. Here, when your phone is connected to the laptop, your phone will appear on this PC. You will need to open the DCIM folder to access your photos. If your photos isn't detected, try another USB cable or USB port. You can use Microsoft Phone link or quick share to transfer files wirelessly. That's it. That's how to transfer photos from Android to a PC. If this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.